They were at Grandpa's garden. Yay! And you still got your flag.
I got my flag.
And the big old pumpkins and all this corn. You gonna help Grandpa?
Pick some tomatoes. The tomatoes are going on already. See? You want to pick yourself some tomatoes? You gotta go through.
What is that big thing? What's that big thing in there? What's that?
What? Watermelon.
Holy moly, it's huge.
There's bigger ones back there.
It's a nice little garden. You got cabbage or is that lettuce?
Cabbage, I'm picking that tomorrow. I'm gonna make some sauerkraut out of that. There's beans. You like beans? They're on the way out.
Wow. Oh, yep, I see it.
Get toward the end of the season, you know.
Micah, come here. You want to help Mama?
Oh, you want to get a, yeah, just go through and pick
Come here.
If you see rotten ones, pick them off, throw them off to the side.
All right,
there.
let me get a basket.
Yeah.
Oh, you gonna help?
I will help.
Let's go get a basket from the truck. Come here, Micah. Help Mama get some tomatoes. There's Grandpa. There. Micah, come here. Micah waving to Grandpa. All right. These big tomatoes. Got a couple bruises on them, but it's all good.
Throw the rotten ones off to the left over there, out of the way.
All right.
Give 'em a little toss. Yeah, just
Help,
here.
Mama.
What you got?
Um,
Don't step on the tomatoes, honey. Don't step on them. Let's see how this one looks.
Yeah, I seen that.
Nope, nope, not that one. That one's not ready yet. Yeah, we gotta get these rotten ones out of here. Ew, it's gushy. Gushy. Ugh, it's gushy. It's gushy. Oh, don't sit on them. Stand up. You're gushy. Ooh, it's a good. Lots of tomatoes. Yep, a lot of them are getting done ripe over here.
I like that fantastic too. That's fantastic.
Micah, no, you're picking the not ripe ones, honey. Look at that pumpkin. It's about as big as you are.
Pumpkins?
Yeah, pumpkins.
Pumpkin over there.
Come here. Let's walk this way.
Pumpkins. Big pumpkin.
Come on.
Big pumpkin.
Yeah, that's a big pumpkin, huh? Oh, it is hot out here, huh?
It's hot out here. I get in it. Oh, get in it.
Oh, careful.
That big rock.
Come on, walk. Walk. Come on, keep going straight. Woo, walking through the corn. Are you a Jack Russell? Yeah. Missy. Missy. You guys gonna go on the slide? They're dirty.
Dirty.
Dirty, dirty. Micah, what are you doing?
I go slide.
You go slide? Look out, Marky.
Oh,
Ooh,
you go slide, guys.
good job. Gonna go in there and go slide? Marky, gonna get you.
Oh, yes.
No, Marky. Aki.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
Put bug spray on you too, but I didn't get any on myself, huh? Micah, swing! Woo! Push
Oh!
into the cupboard. I can't believe he's moving it with Micah sitting on it. Micah's just sitting there, no expression on his face. Marky's laughing. Hi, babies. Boop. Boop. Is Marky pushing you? Oh, you left your buddy over there.
Look at him, Marky.
Dance?
Boom!
Everybody give your foot a tap. Come on, everybody give your hands a clap.
You gonna dance?
Mel.
Can you dance, little Mark?
And Mary, she's super swell.
What are
Marky,
you doing, Marky?
Marky,
Marky? Hey, dance.
come on down here and dance.
Please.
Come here.
Dance?
You took a nasty tumble off there the other day. I don't like him walking around.
See, we don't have enough video, little Marky.
Come here.
No, no.
Come here, yes, yes.
Aggie!
Micah.
Micah. Aw.
Hey.
My
My pillow. Micah, you be
Here,
nice.
let me have these. Do it, shake it. Come on. Come on. Get it. Come on, shake it. Marky, get it going. Come on. Get some action in there. Marky. Come on, shake your booty. Shake your booty. Oh,
Like, oh, too interested in other things.
here.
Boy. My God, Marky's smiling. Cheese. He knows cameras, don't he? He's saying cheese. Aw, cutie, still stuck in your thumb. Oh, Missy wants in on the action. Missy, give him kisses. Give him kisses. Aw, you got kisses. Puppy giving kisses. Mark, sit down.
Sit down
Sit
on
down.
your butt. On your butt. Hello? On your butt. On your butt. Thank you.
Grandpa is riding with Azzy on the four-wheeler. Came up here to get my car checked out. And Grandpa and Azzy decided to get on here. Say hi!